Emerging green procurement requirements are ushering in a new era in which sustainability shifts from a voluntary reporting exercise to a governed business function with legal exposure and direct commercial consequences. On the other side, operational pressure from unusually disruptive market forces, including price inflation, component scarcity, tariff volatility, and supplier diversification, is driving sourcing moves that are often at odds with sustainability goals. After years of negotiating imperfect trade-offs between resilience and sustainability, leading organizations are done compromising. Instead, they are reframing sustainability as a risk management discipline and building procurement models that can deliver both. For example, supplier traceability helps with both emissions reporting and disruption response. Pre-qualified alternates reduce both compliance risk and shortage risk. Lifecycle data supports both environmental goals and smarter total cost decisions. Multi-region sourcing works better when sustainability criteria are already embedded into supplier onboarding. Drawing on the same investment to manage both resilience and sustainability not only eases the tension on procurement, but it creates a system in which market pressure stops being a reason to abandon sustainability and becomes a reason to rely on it. On the surface, regionalization looks like a sustainability win. Shorter logistic chains, lower transport emissions, but when nearshoring is driven by tariff pressure rather than strategic planning, new suppliers must be qualified quickly, and environmental sustainability and governance, ESG performance, inevitably takes a back seat to cost and availability. In the end, the carbon saved in shipping may be spent twice in resource-intensive manufacturing. AI can uncover emissions data at the component level in hours rather than months. It excels at real-time modeling of the sustainability impact of sourcing alternatives and flagging regulatory compliance risks across a bill of materials. But AI computing comes with its own environmental costs. Data center energy use, cooling water consumption, and hardware refresh cycles. As a result, efforts to measure and reduce emissions may inadvertently add to them. This is why it is critical for procurement to have a seat at the table during the design stage, when 70 to 90% of a product's environmental impact is locked in. Proactive decisions require better data, and that's where authorized distributor partners like Mouser come in. With the widest selection of electronic components, deep supplier relationships, and real-time data tools such as the Forte BOM tool, Mouser gives procurement teams the component-level compliance visibility and qualified alternatives they need. For a deeper dive into navigating environmental compliance without sacrificing operational performance, read the Procurement Playbook for Environmental Compliance through Mouser's Purchasing Resource Library today.